Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Kraken back with another video. In today's video, guys, I will be showing you guys how you can make your own Gorilla Tag profile picture like this one. I made another tutorial, but the mic was so laggy and crap, so I just thought I would make another one. So go to the link in the description to download Blender. It's free, and then go to the second link in the description and download the Gorilla Rig. Once you download the Gorilla Rig, you are going to want to go to your downloads, drag in the Gorilla Rig like this, and then click open. Once you click open, you should get a gorilla like this. So first, we're going to change the color. Click the gorilla's fur. You should be on object mode. So, yeah. I don't know what. So click on the gorilla's fur, come over to materials, primary color, change that to whatever color you want. I'm just going to change it to this red color. It looks really good. So now I'm going to show you guys how to pose. Posing is so fun. So this gorilla rig, it should be unfolded. If it's like the arrow's pointing at it, make sure it's pointing down. Find pose mode right here, and then come over here and click pose mode. So basically pose mode is you can't click the gorilla's fur. The only thing you can click is like these little black spots. Like this is the base, this is the torso, this is the head. Also, these are the arms. So click this, come over here and click this X, and you're probably wondering what did that do? So it made it so only one hand can move at a time, which you guys were probably taught this or something, but if you weren't, that's amazing. So now come over to here, spread this out, and then go to rotate and use your rotate tool. I'm just gonna do it like that. Is that good? A little bit more this way. Like that. Alright. Now I'm gonna put this hand like so it's coming like. Oh, by the way, guys, I just got a new pair of headsets, which are really cool. Or I got a new pair, a new microphone. So that's why this one sounds so much better than the other one. And like I said in the last one, this is all what you guys want to do, so I shouldn't be telling you guys like how to do it or something, but I'll just tell you guys what like I personally prefer on something. So yeah. So now that we have a gorilla, I'll show you guys how to make or change the gorilla's name. Come back to object mode by clicking this and then click object mode. Click the gorilla's name, come over to edit mode, and then do this, and then if that thing pops up, you're doing it right. And then do all spaces, whatever name it's gonna be, or all caps, I meant. So once you have it, go back to object mode. I'm gonna rotate. I usually rotate mine so it's not like all the way back there. So once we have that, we're gonna add the faces. So go to the link of the description. I think it might be the third link of the description, and download your favorite face. So as you can see, when I go over shading, like just this pops up. So make sure when you go to shading, you select the gorilla's fur, and then you go to shading. As you can see, we have Gorilla Tag Color Shader. Make sure that's in. Once you do that, go to your files, go to downloads, and select the gorilla face you want. Once we're done with that, drag color down to face texture. Drag face texture, change all the way up, and change linear to closest. Once we're done with that, we're basically done with everything. Now we need cosmetics. Cosmetics are super easy to get. Now go to, I think the fourth link of the description. Download your favorite cosmetic. Once you download it, click File, click Import, and click FBX. Now I downloaded the top hat. It should be on downloads. Whatever you downloaded, you should see it. So once we have it, if it's pink, it's totally fine. It literally should be pink. So we're going to download one more thing, which is the texture, the cosmetic texture. Again, link in the description. So yeah. hate when it does that, bro. Mm, 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 mm. Alright, then that's alright. Crap. By the way, this is however you want to do your gorilla. Honestly, I would say do whatever you guys want. Like, don't put on the cosmetic normally. I would say, like, honestly, I really don't. I don't know what I'm saying. So, now once we're done with that, click on the gorilla's cosmetic. Come over, it should say hatless right here. Click this minus button. Click new. Click this yellow button right next to base color. And then come over to image texture. Click open. And then find. So now you guys got to go to the 5th link of the description and download the cosmetic texture. Whatever your cosmetic is, download that texture. So mine's hatless, so I'm going to click it and then click open image. And as you can see, we got the hat, which it looks really sick. If you guys want to, you can like turn the hat a little bit over if you're using the top hat, or I honestly sometimes do that, but it really doesn't matter. So now once you're done with that, come over here. It should be right next to object mode. Click add, scroll down to camera, and then click this camera to view button. Then click view navigation right here, and then walk navigation. Now you can move with WASD. Oh crap. Yo. Alright. So now we're gonna get that Gorilla Tag profile picture, like square or whatever you want to call it. Come over to output, change 1920 to 1080. Once you're done with that, it should be like that. Then stay on output, then go down to this output right here and change media type video to image, color to RGBA, color depth to 16, and then now once we're done with that, we could go to render, scroll down to film, and then scroll down to transparent. And you're probably wondering, that didn't do a single thing. I'll show you, hold up. Just gotta move this up. So basically what that did is, if we go right here, all that is like black. So this is basically like a green screen back here, which means I can drag it into anything, and then like the black, like that stuff won't show up. It will show the back of the picture or whatever. So you don't really have to stand here. When you immort it, it won't be this, it will be this, but honestly it really doesn't matter which mode you stay on. I'm just gonna stay on this one. Alright, so once you're done with that, once you have everything, the camera and everything's ready and everything's posed, come over here and click render right next to file and edit. Click render, render image. As you can see, this is my folder, or this is my picture. Click image, click save. I'm gonna save it in my downloads, and then once you're done with that, you could get out of that. So when you click the X button, it's gonna ask you if you want to save, don't save, or cancel. If you click save, everything you did will save. If you click don't save, everything will not save, and it will show up as like that white gorilla as we first started. So I'm not gonna save it. So now once we're done with that, we're gonna go to the, I think it's 6th or 5th link of the description. I really don't count. Download the background, or if you want, you can just search up any background for your thing, like on a Gorilla Tag thing or whatever. Go to Photopea. Photopea is basically Photoshop, but just a free version. My bad. Click new project right here. Click YouTube profile and click create. Once you click that, you're gonna get to this white screen where you can draw. So you just got skip. Nah, I'm kidding. Now go to your folders. Go to downloads. Get the, hold up. I got these. Get the background. Drag it in. Drag it in. Now I'm gonna like put it out. And by the way, this background, like a lot of people who make thumbnails and crap use this, so it's really cool. Now drag in your gorilla, and as you can see, he is green screen, which means all that like black stuff, it's all gone. All we got is this cool gorilla. Now it's basically that's it. Now, once we're done with that, you're probably wondering, how do you save it into a folder? How do you make this and this come together into a folder? Come over to File, click Export as PNG. And as you guys can see, there's already kind of shaders, but if you guys want to, you could do shaders. By the way, click PNG. This will download, or click PNG, then click Save. Now, if you guys want to, you can make it so that there's shaders everywhere. But honestly, for a picture or for a grill tag profile picture, I really wouldn't recommend it, because who's gonna actually select the profile picture? And as you can see, there's kind of like already shaders on it, which is really cool. So yeah, as you guys can see, it downloaded in here. So now we can get off of that. And as you guys can see, we got our cool picture. If this tutorial helped you guys out, please consider hitting the subscribe button. It will really help me out. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.